What's up, guys? What we're going to do today is turn this Pelican Vault ammo case / pistol case into a case for this. Today I'm going to show you how to cut some foam, and yeah, we're going to try and fit this bad boy in it and all its gadgets and accessories. Stay tuned. First couple things we're going to need is we'll need a marker. So I got a gray Sharpie, and we'll need a razor blade. What we're going to do is set the gimbal on the foam inside here. We're going to trace it out and then go ahead and cut it. And let's see. Here's the foam in here. See that real well. It's not the pick and pull foam, so we're gonna have to be careful doing this, and we'll take our time. And so we pretty much got the gimbal in the best spot it's gonna be. It's gonna cut real close, but we'll just do our best to make it work. First thing we're gonna do is start tracing this out. The Sharpie or paint marker, whichever you prefer. Now that we have everything traced out, we're going to work on the cutting part. And yeah, talk about tricky. And yeah, it's not perfect, but I know where to cut. So yeah, we'll go ahead and see if we can make this happen.
Yeah, let me show you.
Alright guys, we're going to see how it turned out. It's not too bad. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's not the cleanest, but this is honestly not too bad. And so yeah, we'll see how it fits. Hopefully I didn't make a mistake. Pretty good. Fits pretty good, but I'm gonna have to flip this back over. Guess I should have thought about that one, but it's alright. I don't mind the homemade look. It's all original, baby. So there we go. Got a nice clean look. I think we can do some improvements, but I think this will be fine for now. And we'll see if we can get the rest of the stuff in here. by any means, this is not an easy task, but yeah, we're about an hour into it, and let's see, I'll show you the progress, and it's looking pretty good so far, and I'm about to wrap it up, and that's it. This is going to be the final result. I'll show you guys. Pop this open. So here's the top. As you can see, I had to cut a hole in the top foam, which is fine. You know, it fits great, flat. It's all that matters. It's protected and there's no wiggle room. So here we are. Easy DIY. Appreciate you guys watching. Like, subscribe, share it. I know it wasn't the greatest as far as the quality of it, but you know what? If you're on a budget and you enjoy creating stuff and coming up with new ideas, this will work out great for you.